Hey everyone. I know that I haven't been posted in a long time, and I'm sorry, but I'm making I'm not making a wig, but I'm customizing the wig that I got from AliExpress that I had for the longest time. So I don't know where I got it from, but right now I'm just tweezing it and just trying to customize the lace because it's a full lace wig, and I don't know how long it is and stuff. Like I said, I got it 2 years ago, so I don't know what vendor I got it from or anything. So I'm just plucking the hair off the lace, and I already did one side, so I'm just finishing up the other side. And before I made like a smaller section next to the middle part, just so I could pluck the hair behind the middle part. And when you start combing the hair after you pluck it, a lot of hair is gonna come out, which is normal for the hair to come out because you're plucking the hair out of the lace, so it could be more natural looking, like a scalp. And now I'm making another part next to the part that I already made, just so I could make the front of the lace more natural. I mean, you could not do this part, you can do this part, you can make as many parts as you want in the hair. I just did, I think, 3 or 4 parts on each side just so it could look more natural, just in case I want to like pull the hair back or something or anything like that. I just want to make it as natural as possible. Oh, and another thing that you need is a spray bottle with water in it so you can spray the lace, so it'll be easier for you to pluck the hairs off instead of doing it on dry hair. And sorry for the rattling noise, it's just my fan hitting a light bulb and stuff, so don't worry about that noise. But right now I'm about to flat iron the hair after I already plucked it. So basically what I did was I parted it down the middle and I clipped one side that I'm not flat ironed, and then I parted it, like do little pieces of sections and stuff. It doesn't matter how big or how small the sections are, as long as you section them right and they flat iron easily, then you're fine. Oh, and sorry if you can't see me flat iron the hair and stuff, because I was recording my phone and I don't have a thing set up on my phone to where I could angle it to where you could see it. But yeah, it's just simple flat iron the hair to make it straight and everything. So right now I'm getting me some setting lotion or mousse, whatever you call it, and I'm just putting it on the middle part so it can lay down flatter instead of it being bulky, because I didn't want to flat iron the top and mess it up, so I just used the mousse to like flatten it down and everything. And then I grabbed like a small brush and then started brushing from the middle part down so it could be flatter, so it would look more natural. And right now I'm just combing the hairline back and trying to grab some baby hairs to lay down so it could look more realistic. And after this video, I didn't actually lay the baby hairs down with any products or nothing, Like, I tried to, but it just wouldn't lay down when I put the wig on, and so I just left them as it was. They were just flared, like, not flared out, but it wasn't laid baby hairs, but they were baby hairs. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell button for more videos, and I'll see you next time.